Maybe you can see me. This is an unboxing. Yeah, I know my camera's not all that good, and I don't have a tripod. Just using my phone. But been waiting on this thing for like a week. It's my fire stove I ordered. It's on Amazon. It's the Fltom tent hot stove. So let's see what we got here. Maybe you can see this, maybe you can't. So far it comes in a box. Just got it, took forever, and this box is beat to hell, but it came away from California, so across the whole country. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and start opening this. I'm a little excited. Hopefully it's not damaged. Yes, of course. I'm using a steak knife. Alright, here we go. Alright. Get this top open. Finally. Here we go. So the first thing you're gonna notice, this on top. Then you got your little ankle pipes. There's one. Another little pipe. Seems very sturdy, very strong material. I'm assuming it's stainless steel. I'm not for sure. You got this one, that's 3 so far. And then you got the whole main unit in here, and it's bubble wrapped with tape. Oh my god, yeah, it's pretty heavy. Oh, yeah. Alright, let's go ahead and get it opened. Alrighty. Yeah, it's pretty heavy. Then you got your lid. The lid to the top of it. And it's gonna, yeah, 2 papers on the top. And then when I open it, there's a little box in there. Metal box, I'm assuming this is the, yep, where you would put in the back of the unit and your piping. And then looks, this might be the little doors, or not doors, the little shelves that go on the side, yep. Get 2 of those. Alright. So at this point, you can't grab nothing else, but you got some pins and bolts and nuts. Then let's go ahead and open up the door, because that's where the rest of the pipes are. So far it's not rusted. I saw some reviews on Amazon where they got it rusted. So far I don't see any damage, which is pretty impressive considering I'm from California to where I live. So looks like it's got a good sealant. Yeah, that's pretty good. It's not bad. Alright, let's go ahead and get there, and they're kind of good. You got one more pipe. And another one's in here. 2 more legs. Total 4, obviously. There's a brand name on here, but I don't, it looks Japanese, I'm assuming. Okay. Maybe Chinese too. Alright, got your little poker, and looks like a lid removal. Let's see what else we got here. Okay, and then another pipe. So I can side this thing here. Alright, that's it in the main chamber. Just pull up, and on the bottom was an ashtray. And I don't have the best angle for you, because I don't have a tripod or nothing. Alright, this looks like this would be the shelves, I'm pretty sure. Here's another shelf. And this is more than likely, obviously, your ashtray to put in the bottom. And I think that's it. So far, the construction looks pretty good. It seems very sturdy and thick metal, so it should last. praying it does. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip it around and show you the inside and the front. And of course, cat's playing inside my box. Rain, goofball. Okay, let's get this up out of the way. Okay, so this is the front of it, right there. Okay, I know, sorry, I don't have any help on our tripod, but there's the inside of it. So, and the back, front. This is a 360 view, I guess. First unboxing I ever did on YouTube. There's the bottom of it, and then there's the top. Okay. But yeah, it's pretty much what you get in it. I'm gonna go ahead and start. Putting my. I'll do it on a side angle. How's that? Okay. So you can kind of get it maybe there. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the door. I'm gonna go ahead and put my ashtray in there. Simple enough. So I'm assuming the first thing I should probably do is put the little front handle on here. There's no instructions, but that's okay. So this is all the handle, but gotta have a screw on here, right? Yeah. I'm assuming you just, yeah, oh, so it's threaded. Okay, so you just thread the knob right on the front. Alright. Righty tighty. There we go. See, on one of the reviews I saw, he's talking about like, there's no dampener. I don't know if he's talking about the exhaust on this one. Oh, it's almost tight. There you go. You can open and close it just like that. Adjust the airflow. And close the lid. Okay, simple enough. Alright. And then let's worry about these legs. Let's see how these legs go over there. So it's threaded. Yep. So I'm not for sure on this exactly yet, but I'm sure. Do it like that. So let's go ahead and do right here. Would help if I had a wrench, but I don't. And screw the bottom on. Now it screws on, but I can't get the legs on there. Aggravating already. Well, that probably would have helped even better too if I would have just did that from the damn beginning. So I'm gonna kind of angle mine right here. It's like with this leg, I can't get it to bolt through right. Yeah, it seems like it has trouble getting started. There we go. I'm probably got to go get a wrench. So yeah, I'll go ahead and get that there. There's one. You just repeat the process. I'll probably edit some of this out. I wonder why this one has a nut on it. The one I took off didn't. That makes no sense, but kind of weird. Anyway, get this one. From my understanding, I'm probably gonna do it at an angle like this, and this one's going in there. Right here, and then screw on. There we go. All right. From my understanding, this is a pretty relatively quick install. We shall see. legs. So yeah, take off those bottom pieces first. And they're held together with a bolt and nut. This one. So far, pretty, but it's pretty common sense so far from what I can tell. Doesn't seem too difficult. You definitely need a wrench. I don't know if it's 10 mil, it looks bigger than 10 mil. I don't know what the size of these bolts are. Horse ratings being bad. But yeah, I definitely need to go look for a wrench or something. I'm gonna go ahead and pause it and look for a wrench so I can tighten these down like they're supposed to be. And put this knife up before my dumb cat jumps on it. Okay, I'm back. So I got a socket that fits. Alright. Definitely recommend a wrench for this. Alright. And get these tied up. I'm not going to over tighten it, just a good pressure should be fine. I don't want to over torque it. That should be good. Alright, they're pretty sturdy. And I used 9/16 for those bolts. Okay, let's go ahead and try to get these legs on right. Okay, it looks like you do use the bolt and nut. So let's go ahead and do that. And these go right where they originally were. Damn it, now I need a screwdriver. Yep. So let's go ahead and put the bolts and all the nuts in all of them. Gonna get this one. Okay, get the there. Yep. Kind of finicky, you don't want to go in there. There we go. I think. Okay. But that was actually my fault because I put one on the outside. So that's on me. Okay. Yeah. But I don't think you really want these that tight because then you won't be able to close the lids very smooth. So it's pretty much simple so far. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. Just put it down in first, put the bolt in there, and it should go in there evenly. If I can get the damn thing to line up like I want it to. There we go. Come on. Another one. Okay. And then this one. Okay. Another bolt. Yep, just had it. I don't know why I tried to put it back. Now there's screws in here. So far you get an extra leg screw and leg bolt to mount to the wood stove. So you do get 2 extra bolts, which I guess is good. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and figure out these pins, and then I'm gonna. So trying to figure this out. It looks like I'm not for sure how you do this. My assumption there's a hole, there's 2 holes, so my assumption is you get this piece. If I can get it to open up. Yeah. So let's see here. Push, put up in here. There we go. So you connect it to this bottom hole. My assumption is when you want to close it, you get these 2. Basically, it looks like a cotter pin. Squeeze the ends, go through the bottom hole. If I can get it right. And then, should lock it. Yep, there you go. So it ain't going nowhere. So that's how you do that. So we'll go ahead and do that now on all of them. And then I'm going to get a screwdriver. I'm going to tighten up these bottom legs. So go ahead and get the top one. So this was kind of hard to put in. So you might struggle a little bit with it. Might. But yeah, that's pretty much just a cotter pin for car. Alright, let's go ahead and squeeze this. Put in the bottom hole. Pretty straightforward. I mean, so far, I only made 1 mistake. There's that. Let's do the other one. That's pretty much all the parts. The rest should be pretty straightforward from here, I would assume. I mean, I wish in a way they would provide instructions, but they don't. Glad I got this. I'm crazy. Alright. Bottom hole. No, I've seen people where they didn't put the extension on the legs, which I mean is fine, but it'll just sit lower. More. So far, pretty simple. Nothing too hard to do. Cats in boxes, I don't know what it is. Maybe you can explain that to me. Alright. Now we'll go there. Go to the other side. Boom. Good to go. I'm going to go ahead and get a screwdriver and tighten up those bottom bolts, but I think for the most part, she's about done. Just give me 1 moment. Alright, I'm back. So retighten the legs up. Okay, that's what it looks like. Sit like that. Then you can, here's the door. Well, I didn't notice when I tipped it over because there's an extra bolt inside. This does come up, be removed. Did not do that. Alright, so just go ahead and put this baby back on. There you go. Like that. Let's go ahead and shut this up. Okay. And then I'm going to put the pipes on to show you how tall it is, compared to me. I'm like 5'11", so. Alright. And here's this thing. It just goes in a square hole in the back. Okay. Pushes all the way back here, so you can see. Alright, so this should be pretty straightforward, I think. Maybe not. Nope. Wrong size. Nope. Yep, I feel dumb now. Huh. The ends look about all the same size. I don't know if you have to force it on there. Yep. Kind of have to put it on there pretty hard. Well, that piece. You got an elbow joint. Need that for like the top. Which, you know what? I'm gonna put that end on the bigger piece. There we go. And then just connect them all together. That's just like a straight pipe. Does it fit there? I'm thinking we put this one on here. This one here. There we go. This one here. So that's the problem I'm having. I'm not sure how these pipes go on. So that's the same exact size there. They look a little bent, and I think that's why I'm having trouble putting them on. Probably from shipping, just my guess. Yeah, that pipe has definitely got warp to it. But yeah, if I could ever figure this shit out, I think it's from shipping. They're a little warped. I'm having a little bit of trouble getting in. So beware of that. Whoever ships it, or yeah, this pipe's bent. There we go. It's just the pipes are bent from shipping, I'm pretty sure. And this here. Not as tall as I thought it was gonna be, but nonetheless. And just put that on top. Let's see about. Yep. Let's see. Yep, it's flush in there. It's not hanging out. It's flush. We'll put this in here. Alright. Preferably, you might want it that way. And then, let's see about these legs. So I'm pretty sure they're the same size. Squeeze them a little bit. Put them in their slots. There you go. Yep. And hang them down. But I don't know if that's the right way. Well, I don't think it is. I think this is the right way. Yep. Here, here. There we go. I just put it up backwards. Do the other side. This one's a little harder to bend. Yeah, that way you can carry it with you. And then you get these two shelves. Okay, same size. Well, one's bigger slightly. So, I don't know why. But they both fit the same on here, so. Yeah. Oh, that's weird. I'm gonna put this one over here. No, for some odd reason, one shelf is bigger than the other. I don't understand that, but okay. Got your little lid. There you go. And then your little poker. So if you want to take your lid, there you go. Overall, I like the design of it. I think it's simple, easy, pretty easy to put together. Yeah, if they close. So, yeah. I can't wait to try this puppy out. And then you got the little hook, and you got a hook on the drawer. Pull out your tray. And then, well, obviously you would have did that, but yeah. That could be a little tough to close. Other than that. So the only thing you're gonna be left over with, like I said, you got an extra bolt. And you just put it back in your baggie and save it for safekeeping in case you lose it or something. That was very simple. Wasn't complicated at all. Let me stand up to this thing real quick. So yeah, it's about 5'11", because I'm 5'11" exactly. So a couple inches shorter. So, yep. So I'm gonna do a burn-in process and then show you that later.